Here, you mix to keep anay, then open, and then, how many cc of air?
One lang. Ano yung zoom?
Okay. What is wrong?
Bubble.
Okay. Dapat waray. Inverse. Dapat ito yung calibration is
Level.
Okay, again, support here.
Support.
Hold here. 1 cc sobra para absorb yung air. Air. Okay? That's enough, no? Then inverse. And then,
Pull it down.
and then what's next? Pull it down.
Pitik-pitik.
And then, to remove the air. And after that, you will now prime our needle. Not yet. We recap here. We recap first by using ideally your one hand method. Then remove, and then change it with our
Conventional.
that we will use to inject. Okay. After having secured your needle, we open it and we prime the whole needle. What is it?
1 cc man la. 1 cc man la? Eh, yan nga niya.
Here you go. Okay.
Masakit din na.
Then we'll get your
Paran.
this is temporary here. So wet. May napakang alcohol.
Alcohol nito la.
Okay, now. And then you would have one dry one of your fingers.
Pointer.
Marinator.
Okay. Let's watch.
Let's watch.
And then wait. And then how many fingers?
4.
Look. This is the chromium process. This is the chromium. 4-finger width. Adina, what I will do kasi is it is here that I will inject. Is there in which I will inject your medication. After having located this area, I will grab. Okay, and then clean.
Let it dry.
Wait, again. Here.
Wala.
Grab. No, wait. A chromium. Area.
Check.
Clean.
That is it.
Ayaw pag
Then wait.
nag-volunteer ka.
And then, start light, okay? Here.
90 degrees when
What I do?
Then support. Aspirate. Okay, if there is no blood, we can continue.
Yeah.
Okay? And then ready?
My blood on the blood,
Paluya!
Pati na lang.
You would also have your C-track. You would have your C-track to minimize the pain and to minimize discoloration. What is C-track? Diba kanina nakasugad? C-track, before you remove, isugad mo na yung skin.
Para di rin ako
So I would skin,
pinadadaraman.
and then remove, and then remove, then release.
Amo normal kay gintuso.
Because of this, talaga ito mga kaibiga.
Hindi pa di ay head. Agad sa head.
Your W.